Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your NatWest debit card step by step clearly. First, take your new NatWest debit card and check that your name and the expiry date look correct. Next, find the PIN letter that came with your card, or confirm you already know your PIN in the NatWest app. Now, make sure you have your phone with the NatWest mobile app installed and that you can log in. If you do not have the app yet, download NatWest from the App Store or Google Play and sign in with your online banking details. Once you are logged in, confirm your phone has signal or Wi-Fi so the activation can complete smoothly. Before you activate, check the card is not damaged and that the chip and magnetic strip look normal. Choose the activation method you want to use, cash machine activation or in-app activation if available to you. For cash machine activation, go to a NatWest or any UK ATM that accepts chip and PIN. Insert your NatWest debit card into the ATM with the chip facing the correct way. When the ATM asks, enter your PIN carefully and keep your hand over the keypad. Select a simple option like balance, cash withdrawal, or PIN services to complete a chip and PIN transaction. If you choose cash withdrawal, withdraw a small amount so you can confirm it works. Wait for the ATM to approve the transaction, because approval is what activates the card. Take your card back when it is returned and keep any cash and receipts safe. Now your card should be activated, so you can try a small contactless payment after that first chip and PIN use. If you want to activate in the app, open the NatWest app and go to Cards or Manage Cards. Tap on your debit card, then look for an option like Activate Card or Card Settings. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm it is you, using your app passcode, biometrics, or a one-time code. When the app confirms activation, keep the confirmation screen open for a moment to ensure it finishes. After activation, make a chip and PIN purchase in a shop if contactless is not working immediately. If contactless still does not work, repeat one more chip and PIN transaction to unlock contactless properly. To set or view your PIN, use the app feature like View PIN, Get Cash, or PIN Services if it is available. If you entered the PIN incorrectly too many times, your card may lock, so contact NatWest to reset it. If the card will not activate at an ATM, try a different ATM, then try a chip and PIN purchase in a store. If activation is still failing, call NatWest using the number on the back of your card or use in-app chat. When speaking to support, have your account details ready and confirm your identity when asked. Finally, sign the back of the card if there is a signature strip and store your PINs separately and securely. From now on, monitor your first transactions in the app to confirm everything looks correct. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.